Pasampulan natin kung world class din ang vocal cords ng mga ito.
Oo, kasi dito sa PO5, pinagbibigyan namin ang lahat ng pagkakataong kumanta.
Kayo nga, okay.
1, 2, 3,
go!
Through the fire, through the limit, to the wall.
Nako, tama ang desisyon. Tigil na. Tama ang desisyon ng PO5 staff na pinasasayaw na lang sila.
May nag-Twitter si MVP, mamaya daw mag-usap daw kayo. I-revoke ang kontrata. Joke lang. Pero ito na talaga yung mga may karapatan pumangawin.
Tama.
Oo, kasi dahil nga Britain's Got Talent.
Gusto kayo idol.
Idol. Ito na po ang talaga namang mga bilitera at bilitera. Mga world-class duo medley of hits of Mariah Carey here. Britain's Got Talent finalist Madonna De Sena. Pinoy pop superstar Gerald Santos. Philippine Idol na one and only Mal Marcelo together with...
Eto, kasama nila si Neo Patricio, syempre talentadong Pinoy. John Nieto ng Philippine Idol. At ito, star in a million baga.
Ang sexy si...
Frenchie D. Eto na sila, go, go, go!
Kumanta na kayo! Show them!
Because you'll always be my baby. Diamonds in the snow. Nobody gonna shake me. Because you'll always be my baby. Turn on. There's an answer when you reach into your soul and the sorrow that you know, no matter what. And a hero comes along with strength to carry on and cast your fears aside. And you know you can survive when you feel like hope is gone. Look inside you and be strong, and you finally see the truth. That a hero lies in you. That a hero lies in when you keep crying out to be